In order to elevate your finances, you have to get into a place mentally that you conceive the idea that you are supposed to be at a certain level financially. In this episode, we are going to be talking about reached limits. This is for the person who feels like you're at a point in life where you can't go any further financially. Whether you have achieved a certain level of success or you have been unable to achieve what you set out to do. A lot of times we tell ourselves things like we can't imagine doing that, living like that, achieving that, or having that. And that becomes the very problem. We can't imagine it. We can't elevate because we are telling our minds this type of thinking that we can't do that. We can't make a certain amount. And that becomes the very problem. We can't imagine what success looks like. We can't imagine what our bank account looks like at $500 a day or at $20 a day. Whatever your financial freedom number is, we can't imagine that it's possible because of our present circumstances, because of where we are right now. You may be in a situation right now where you're working and you're living paycheck to paycheck. You're not making enough and you're looking at the situation as, how is this going to be possible? How can I elevate if I'm making $30,000 right now and I don't make enough? My bills are behind. My bills are past due. How can I elevate to that place? Making $100K a year. Our present circumstances don't allow us to have future thoughts or future thinking. And that's important to recognize because thoughts are things. These things that we think produce a certain frequency of energy to produce exactly what the thought was that was brought forth in our minds. So if you have the thought that I can only make $30,000 a year, or if you have the thought that I can only make $10 an hour, then you're only going to be able to produce at that level every single day. Or it will turn into a cycle year after year that will become the highest financial amount you will be able to obtain. You will never be able to obtain your desired financial freedom amount. So it's not that you have reached a certain limit of success.